How to add multiple photos in Snapchat story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can add multiple photos to your Snapchat story. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your Snapchat app and get logged into your Snapchat account. Now, in order to add multiple photos, you can either click a snap or tap onto your gallery icon here, and that will open up your camera section. From there, you can choose multiple photos that you would like to add to your story. And once you have selected the multiple photos, simply click onto this send option on your bottom right. As you do so, you can add onto your stories. To do that, tap on My Story. You can choose if you would like to display this story to your friends or public. Once you do so, tap onto Send option. Now to check if the story has been uploaded or not, tap onto your profile or your Bitmoji on your top left. And as you can see that your multiple story has been added under My Story. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.